Hey baby, you gave me the privilege of opening my mouse way too early before my birthday, so I'm going to at least show you how I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm actually like going to like go through my whole thought process and just like speak to the camera like I'm a schizo. So first thing I do really like about is that the way that the box is like is just so pretty. Like, it's very minimalist. Like, you can see the shape of it. This is actually like what some sites will use to record the mouse shape. They will probably take this and then add the measurements to scale. They'll just enhance the image to scale. This makes it easier for a lot of those people. This is really basic stuff, right? They will say ergo form factor for to sell reasons, hyperspeed wireless, but it's just a way to say that it works without a cable. Power sensor, this specs. The MCU, this is also specs. We have the color right here. We have white. Very funny because like I don't want this and I don't want this either, so this is like the final option. This is all just spec details. Same thing here, everything for sales. You have the English title, you have the Chinese description as well. Yeah, M-Chose Deluxe. Alright, no more stalling. I'm getting to opening it. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this safely. Wow, the one time I need my fingernails, insane. Okay, got it. The box is already a bit butchered because of the delivery. The dude just threw it over the fence because we love Malaysian transport. We love the way that our logistics works. So, wow, that looks even better in real life. Holy shit. Yeah, this is the box, and I'm gonna start opening it. I'm gonna open it. That makes it really easy to open. Like the little cut here, makes it really easy to just do this. Okay. Whoa. Oh, they want me to pull it out. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. What an experience. What an unboxing experience. Wow. Okay, here it goes. Whoa. Oh. It comes with the stickers for the skates as well. This is so fucking light. I feel like I'm holding nothing. Holy shit. This is nothing. What the fuck? Okay, I'll do the test clicking later. For comparison, if I remember correctly, this is, let me see if there is on the box. It says lightweight, but it doesn't specify the weight, so that kind of pisses me off. But if I remember correctly, it did say on the website it was 67, so plus minus 2 grams. This is 67 grams. And for context, this is about 90 grams. This is about 100. I would say this is 100 grams. So, that's a really huge jump in the weight. Well, or loss in the weight, which is a really good thing for mice. Because, yeah, the lighter your mice is, the less effort you need to put in your movements. Let's look at the accessories. We have, we have a dongle here for the USB. I'll explain what this is later. This is the cable. I'm gonna open it now actually. I could probably compare it to how long the Logitech one is later on. There's this thing here for the power. This either for power or connection. It's one or the other. It's a pretty long cable. I'm not sure if I like how this is bended like this, but probably with a bit of cable discipline it can work. This one here too. Is that it? Where is the... Okay, the dongle is probably in here. The USB dongle is in here. Basically, it works like this little dongle here, where you have to put it near your mouse. Like, I just like align it like this, so that it's like really fastly connected to the Logitech mouse. But going back to this, it's about time I just open the mouse. Okay, mouse here. Oh, okay, let's open this. So, oh. Okay, this is not exactly the best opening experience, but then can't really blame them. Everything was so good so far. They probably just fucked up the heating there. Oh. Wow. Does it say the weight? No, it doesn't. Okay, and if I'm not wrong, the dongle. Wow, the one time I actually need my fingernails. I really don't know. Wait, am I supposed to push? No. What am I supposed to do? I'm actually just supposed to like. Okay, I'm just gonna use my. I feel like I'm gonna break my fingers. This thing is like so tough. Okay. I just really don't want to like get any scratches on it. So yes, the dongle is in here. Just gonna remove it so I can test it later. Wow, this is a really tight dongle, a really tight one, but it's good that it's also just a part of the mouse. It's really lightweight. If I'm really like nitpicky, I could take this off and just like leave it off because like in the end this is still weight, but I'm not gonna. But oh, look at that. Look at that shape. Look at that shape. Okay, and to see if this really fits my hand. Okay, they were cooking with that. They were cooking with the mouse calculator, the hand size calculator thing. I feel like I'm already used to it. In fact, this actually fits my hand so fucking good. Okay, sound test. Really smooth on the scroll wheel as well. Thank you, love. I love you so much. I'm going to need to remove this. Okay, this is. I'm probably gonna have to figure this out on my own about where what goes. Or I could just refer to the Taobao, but I don't really wanna. It probably goes like this. I would assume so. Makes the most sense. So we'll just put this according. We'll put this according to this angle here. So this goes here. Let's see. This one. Where would this go? Here perhaps? This is probably a misprint. I would assume here. This makes the most sense. So the side. Where would this go? Wow, I have no clue. Here maybe? Okay. And then this. I'll assume the end here. This would probably make the most sense. Or actually, now that I think of it. No, it's not. Okay, so if this is here, then this will probably be on the end. Shit, where would these go? Maybe this on the body actually. This might be here. Oh, oops. Yeah, I have no clue actually. I might just put them on right now. But oh yeah, I forgot to show the mouse button sound. There's not much push. As in, there's not much extra space to push down, so that's really nice. There's no bounce. Really well made. It sounds very hollow, but I don't mind that. It's definitely louder than my normal mouse. But then, considering that it's like so much lighter, the sensor is probably as good, if not better, because it's more modern after all. I would think that's a good trade. I don't mind a bit of noise. After all, I'm going to be clicking a lot anyway. I will have to say that the clickers feel like a lot more effort to push down, but I don't really mind that anyway, because I do use a lot of my finger strength when it comes to pushing mouse anyway. I'm going to go look at my purchase to see how it's actually like, to see how you actually apply it. Oh, these are for this. Oops, I see. Oh, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, these are for this. Okay. These are here. Okay, so these are the two clickers. This one goes in the center, and this one goes like this. So yeah, it goes like this. Ah, that makes so much sense. Yeah, they're supposed to be on here. They're supposed to be on here. That's the mouse. I'm going to record a separate part. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put the stickers on. Hopefully in a way that you can see it. I'm just gonna put it on. Also, dear, if you ever somehow like manage to get into peripherals, make sure that the mice is off when you're wiping it down like this. Just to be safe. It doesn't really, you won't even like touch the electrical parts. It just gives you like peace of mind knowing that you won't fuck anything up, you know? Alright, let's start here. It's really funny that the second I cut off my fingernails, I suddenly need them again. It's really ironic that the world does this. Oh, these are really sticky. Like, this is how attached I am to you. Do you know what I mean? I'm not really the best at putting stickers on, but then again, oh my god, I tried to say then again, I tried to say grips, but then again, the grips don't exactly have to be perfect. They just need to be on the correct area, right? Let's get the other side done. Let's see how I want this one. I think I just want this on the side. I want this to be a bit more on the edge where I can actually use this, get rid of this part because they misprinted it. Maybe I could even use this part, you know, just to be 100% of your money. I would like this to be a bit more on the edge. Make sure there's no holes, any air gaps, because that really would f with the stickers. This one I'm not really worried because it's a really weird cut. It's a specific cut. Okay, nice. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with the clickers now. This one's a bit off angle, but I don't really mind. I don't really mind that much. Actually, no, I do. I'm hoping I chose a nice design. I just thought this would look good with the white, I guess. Okay. Okay, I got it. Wow, first try. Let's go. Okay, now for the last two. Yeah, this is supposed to be more like this, but it's just how my hand sits. At least my mouse looks unique, you know? It's not like every other mouse. I thought this white here would match this white, but oh well. Maybe I'll get new grips in the future. Who knows? I'm actually gonna I did say I'm gonna use even this little misprint here if the camera would focus. Imagine this was not a misprint and I literally just fucked up the placing. That would be so funny. Okay, yeah, that's good. Alright, we're gonna put this all away. Oh my god, I'm a fucking these are these are for the side buttons, I think. Oh my god, these are for the side buttons. That is so funny, isn't it? I'm so smart. Oh, okay, just to make sure what is what, who goes where, how are you. Okay, this is on the other side. This is on here. Wow, I'm stupid. Holy shit, I thought that was a misprint. My bad, China. My bad. Wow, I'm stupid. Wow, I'm stupid. I should just use the tweezers from the start. Oh. Oopsies. Force of habit. Okay, that's the mouse. Yeah. Wow, okay. Now I'm actually going to start setting up the dongle and everything. Wow, my dumbass really thought that was a misprint. My dumbass really thought that was a misprint. That's insane. I'm that stupid. I'm saying that, but then you probably believed me anyway. So in a way, like until a few minutes, a few seconds ago, we were both idiots. Okay, I probably have to charge the mouse first. This is definitely one of my more favorite boxes. It's just really pretty. Okay. Okay. This dongle is really thin. I wonder if I'm gonna get like electric shocked by it, just by the way it's made. And oh wow, this is rubber. Oh wow, that's awesome. That's actually so cool. Wow, 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 wow. Holy shit, that's really awesome. There's no way I can get it past this part, which is a bit annoying, but that's okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go set this up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to find a way to discipline this cable so that it just doesn't get too fucked up. Right now, let's say the pretty side up. Okay, the dongle is not the most pretty, admittedly, but then again, that's because it's not funded by capitalist powerhouse. So let me just wrap it around here, and I'm pretty sure this is like slightly shorter than my Logitech one, but I'm just gonna go set it up. Alright, and now turn it on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is really cool. This is really cool. I would want to find out if actually there is a. I want to find out if there's like a software for it. Oh wait, this is not Mchos. Oh wait, this is a China brand. Oh, I am so stupid. Wait, this is deluxe. Oops. Oh, this is not Mchos. Oops. Oh no. I didn't know that. Wow, insane, insane. I'm gonna just play on Darkness 1 because I'm ass at the game. I suck. I suck ass. Your ass? I'm probably gonna be a bit more quiet just so I can lock in. Projectiles is good. Shield. I'll take shield. Oh. Oh. A bit closer. This effectively doubles my ammo, no? Yeah. That means more lightning. Oof. I like fire rate. Give me that! What the fuck? How did I reload 3 times in a row? Hello? What's this bug? Electro bug's good. Let's take electro bug. Oh, it's because I regenerate 1 bullet. Right. Right, so that counts as finishing the mag. So I just need to spin around in circles. I have absolutely like no torso, like I don't need to wait for my torso to turn, I just like flip. Insane, I got the build down. Okay, I just need to build around lightning as much as possible. Oh, it's over for y'all. Oh. Let's see if greed kills me a second time. Let's see if greed is indeed my downfall. Nice. It's like one of the only tombs without a drawback. Insane. I'll take it. I won't be greedy this time. 1 minute. 1 minute. There's so much lightning coming down all the time though. Oh wait, this is the bug doing the job, I think. Okay, so the bug is just gonna one-shot everything. Yeah, as long as they come on my screen. The bug is just gonna one-shot them. Okay, here they come. Curse? Curse is good. I like curse. Oh, there's so much like, EXP on the ground. I actually can't see the enemies. Okay, play around these trees. These two trees? Two trees? How many trees are there? Two trees? At this point, I think the bullet spread is a buff. I'm hitting so many people at once. Of course, for like really little damage, but hey, lightning. Okay, I need to start collecting the EXP, otherwise I'm gonna go blind. Get off my lawn, build. Movement speed. Okay, just give me all of this. I need to clean my lawn. There's just so much oh yes. There's just so much EXP waiting to be touched. Touch? Who? You? Oh lord, they come in. Oh lord, they come in. I need to like stop remembering that I'm not I need to remember that I'm not using a shotgun anymore. Getting 50 fire rate. Holy shit. What? What? Oh, there we go. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Area burn. That's really nice. On every 10th shot, launch a wave of lightning strikes. You know what I like. Oh my god. What is going on? I can't see them. Okay, I might need to take glare just because I can't really see anything. Hopefully glare kills them in time so that I don't take any damage. What if I'm just gonna leave this on auto attack. If one ever gets too close but I accidentally pick up an EXP, I'm just gonna shoot faster. I have unlimited ammo. Insane. What is this build? I like curse. Holy shit. I know this is not a lot on the mouse camera. Actually no, I should use the mouse. I should use the mouse. Yeah. I forgot the whole point of the I got too into the run. Intense glare. Smolder them. This one was mentored. This one was taught to me specifically by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Glare at them. What do you mean this game is hard? Just get lucky. Okay, let's see. Bullet bounce. I'm not sure if I want that. I can't lie. Frost mage, sure. With all my bullets, I'm bound to freeze something. I'm bound to freeze something. What am I looking at? This character is so satisfying. Spark, but I was personally blessed by Zeus. That's gonna be the title. Okay, it's time for payday. I wanna load all of them up. Except for you guys, no, fuck you guys. Okay. Okay. Round them up. Round them up. I need to remember that this isn't a lot of damage, so I actually need to like... When shooting your last ammo, that's not good. No. I think I'll just take more damage. Oh, here he comes. Insane, insane. I killed him so fast. I killed him so fast. Oh! I lost Holy Shield. It's okay, it's 1 minute. Oh. Oh, more burn? I think I want light bullets, I can't lie. The Holy Shield's back, boys. The Holy Shield's back. You know what that means. Oh my days. Oh, I need to... No, I need to lock in. I need to lock in. I don't want to lose the Holy Shield again. I say I need to lock in, but I really just need to aim at their direction. Oh my god. More bullets? I don't think I need to refill anymore ammo. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, I love this game. Holy shit, I love this game. Like, the second they get close, I just cannot see my screen. A few of my levels are just not being used because I just don't run out of ammo. Curse damage has increased. Yeah, sure, I think. Every 10 enemies killed by curse. I'm not gonna kill them by curse though, that's the thing. curse isn't gonna be the one killing them, so I don't need that. Plus my bullet damage is already so low. There's no point increasing it by only 1 per 10. What the hell is on my screen, man? Pyromage. Shooting while standing still. No, it doesn't matter. I've unlimited animal anyway. Plus, shooting while standing still isn't good. Unless I have stillness. Stillness is really good, I guess. I've never tried it before though. Stillness and then do it using that. Maybe they'll be good. Oh. Oh. Reaper rounds is not bad. Okay, the annoying thing is I lost Holy Shield, but it's okay. Wow, these exploding bugs are my biggest ops, man, actually. Like, that guy, no problem. Exploding bugs? No, f you. Oh, speak of the devil and he shall appear. Okay. Power. That loses my fire rate. Don't think it's worth it. I'll just take speed. I like speed. It makes dodging the what their names are easier. I don't know, I'm just gonna call them eyeballs. Can we go back to like the normal? Okay, thank you. Yeah, walk up, man. Walk up to me, man. Walk up. Walk up. You can't. You can't. Run and gun. Lightning also inflicts burn. Thank you. Pew! Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. I'm making my rounds. I'm gonna make my rounds. I'm just gonna collect everything while... And every 5th shot launch a fireball. Do they know? I'm a mage who got isekai'd into a shooter game, but I kept my old powers. Oh my god. Let them come closer. Pew 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 pew. Let them come closer. Come a bit closer. Pew 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 pew. Burn damage. Do I really need burn damage? Get bullet speed. I just need the bullets to arrive faster so that I can just like, you know, walk up. Saccade, I don't know what that means, but double glare. The damage from glare also applies the on-hit effects of your bullets. Holy shit. Okay, I'll go back to auto aiming, to normal aiming. Not that it really changes much of a difference, but holy shit. What am I looking at? Oh my days. These are all pretty bad. Sure. more elemental damage, because why not? Because I need a little more. I just need a little more. Insane. Insane build this is. This is an insane build. Bullet speed and more bullet damage. Okay, the big boys are back. They're gonna need a few more million to catch up to this kind of damage I'm outputting. Oh my days. I think this is called like the new mouse from your girlfriend buff. Holy shit. When you flick burn, there's a chance to heal. Nah, I'm good. Sure. Double smolder if I really need it. Oh my days. Imagine if I could kill the tree. Oh wait, they're moving. Should I try to kill them now? I really don't. I'm not sure if you can kill the trees because they are moving though. I shouldn't waste my time. I shouldn't waste my time. Oh! When lightning strikes an enemy that is burning, create an explosion that does 25 damage. I don't... It's the first time I'm gonna use this ever, so... Let's do... Oh my god, the screen shake! Oh my god, the... Oh shit, I was standing still to a tree. I just realized I was taking damage. I cannot lie, I have no clue what's going on my screen right now. Oh, you're kidding! You're kidding! You know what? I'll count that as a win. I'll count that as a win. Fuck. Oh, what a way to end the run. What a way to end the run. Okay. I'll try harder when I come back, but cause I have to go now. Oh my god. Alright, that was it.